Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're taking a look at the Diode Dynamics HitchMount LED pod reverse light kits, allowing you to easily add some additional functionality to the back of your Wrangler with a multi-function LED reverse light that you can install right here in your 2-inch receiver hitch when it's not being used for other duties. Now, this kit has been designed and engineered by Diode Dynamics to be a super easy plug-and-play install that I bet you could get installed on the back of your Jeep in under a minute flat. I promise you, it is just that quick and easy to get installed. Now, if we take a look and see what you get in this kit here, there are actually two available options for you. You can choose from the C1 HitchMount reverse light, and what that's going to give you is a super bright white reverse light to add to the back of your vehicle here to help when backing up. You're also going to get a low-level red light that acts as an additional running light to help get your vehicle noticed here when you're driving down the road at night. Now, if you choose the C1R kit, that's going to build on the first kit with the added functionality of a fourth brake light here for the back of your vehicle to again help aid in getting your vehicle noticed by the drivers behind you when you're braking and slowing your vehicle down. In addition to that fourth brake light function, it also includes an additional safety strobe function that I'll come back to in just a moment. Now, no matter which kit you choose, the C1 or the C1R, both of them include one of Diode Dynamics C1 LED light pods. You're going to get a very robust, heavy-duty cast aluminum housing here with their advanced TIR optics. Now, these optics have been designed to capture all of the light emitted from that LED chip, giving you the most usable light output from that optics over a nice even spread behind your vehicle. Of course, we're going to get heavy-duty cooling fins on the back side of that light, as well as a weatherproof Deutsch-style electrical connection here. And of course, the hitch mount bracket that allows you to easily install that C1 pod right there into your 2-inch receiver hitch. Now, this hitch mount bracket features two snap fit pins, these tabs that are on both sides of the bracket, as well as this tension tab on the top. When you slide the light into your 2-inch receiver hitch, those snap fit pins are going to lock right into the holes for your receiver pin. Now, if you'd like a little added security for your hitch mount LED reverse light, well, you can simply cut these tabs off of both sides of the bracket, and then when you slide your light into your receiver, you'll simply install your standard hitch pin or even a locking hitch pin right through the tabs to secure your hitch mount LED reverse light into your receiver. Now, if we take a look at the other piece of this kit, and what frankly makes your install super easy is the inclusion of this T-harness from Diode Dynamics. Now, both kits are going to include this plug-and-play style T-harness, slightly different between the two kits, of course, but this T-harness is going to plug in line between your 7-way trailer wiring connector and the wiring on the back side of your bumper. That wiring is then going to extend down. That allows you to feed it through your receiver hitch, giving you that 4-way Deutsch-style waterproof connector to plug into the back of the C1 LED light pod. Now, with the standard C1 kit, you're not going to have this additional module. The C1R is going to include this safety strobe module that allows the function of the fourth brake light, as well as that safety strobe option for you. As you can see, this is a fully weatherproof module, and it does have this purple wire loop sticking out of it. Now, the reason that's there is to allow you the choice of activating or deactivating that safety strobe feature. Now, if you want to leave that safety strobe feature turned on, well, all you have to do is leave that loop intact. Don't do anything. If you want to deactivate that feature, all you got to do is cut that wire loop and leave that wire separated. Of course, if you ever want to reactivate the safety strobe feature down the line, well, simply splice that wire back together. And what that safety strobe feature will do is actually pulse or strobe that high intensity fourth brake light the first time you apply your brakes to help better call attention to the fact that your vehicle is slowing down. If you deactivate that feature, well, that fourth brake light is just going to illuminate and stay illuminated while your foot is on the brake, like your other brake lights in your taillights and your third brake light on the back of your vehicle. Now I wanted to show you just how easy it is to install this. In fact, I can do it without even looking underneath my Jeep. It really does take just about a minute to install this. Basically, you'll reach up behind your bumper and you want to unplug the factory wiring on the back side of your 7-way trailer wiring receiver, and then take that T-harness, plug that right in to the factory wiring, reach up, plug the other side of the T-harness to the back side of your trailer wiring receptacle, feed that Deutsch connector through the back side of your trailer wiring, of your trailer receiver hitch. Go ahead and plug the Deutsch connector into the HitchMount LED light pod, and then slide the pod into the receiver until you hear it snap into place. That's really all it takes to get your HitchMount LED light pod installed into your receiver hitch and fully wired up here for an automatic functioning reverse light, running light, and if you choose that C1R, a 4th brake light as well. Of course, you'll just want to zip tie this wiring up behind the bumper so that it's not hanging down, get snagged on anything. If you guys want to get more information or to purchase a Diode Dynamics HitchMount LED pod reverse light for your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator with a factory 7-way trailer wiring connector on the back, all you have to do is click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the HitchMount LED reverse light or how to get it installed, you can always do this for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon to be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.